Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys and Mars Auctions. Today we've got a really wonderful model collection that came in. It's going to be a future Mars auction 2025, possibly September, October timeline. And you'll see some favorites, so stay tuned for more. Cheers from Ed.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Okay, well, let us look. We've got killer European kits, Ferrari 40 and Lambo 500S Otaki. And our next lot, this will be lot 3, Mini Cooper, Suzuki, and this cute little Cooper 1300. LS Models. LS Models is a company I don't know too well, but their art is outstanding, and that's a painting. Here's a real high-end kit, the Lola, and we'll look at the side real quick. Lola Mark III, Testarossa, Ferraris. I know some of you want to say, what's inside? Well, let's do a sample. Right here we have a AA battery, UM3 battery. Looks like it has rubber tires. And in our kit right here, kids had metal gears, metal springs, the motor, and they'd build a model kit around it. Put a little bit of lithium grease around the gearbox. So this is a Academy, which frankly reminds me quite a bit of this Tamiya version, but separate mold from what I understand. And then we have a Countach from Cannonball Run, I think like 2 or 3, really obscure film. All right, so next up are a bunch of airplane kits, which I'll give you the quick overview, and then I will do a for instance. We will probably end the autos with a clear engine kit, Mazda, and then we'll jump over to Tommy, which is a very strong kit. I believe it's a motorized plane, Revell, which potentially that's Revell Bandai. Some more Tommy kits, LS, and later on we'll get into Funzy America nostalgia. This is a 2-pack with a Liberator and a Tiger Shark. Tiger Shark down there in 1/48 scale. Other lots will include things like this Hasegawa. Wow, ME-262 Jet. And all of these will be together. Then we'll jump down, for instance, to Supermarine, the Wildcat, the Stuka, the Gustav, Lancaster, Focke-Wulf. Those will all be in the same group too. Here is more of a connoisseur's rare kit, 1/50th. 50th, as I understand, it's quite challenging to find these days. Tamiya 1/50th Japanese fighter, as well as army types and such. And then a more final area will be the Militaria and the military kits. And I will go through them. I mean, we can start with the more current, like Toys R Us pre-made plastics. We have 2.4 gigahertz battle tanks, King Tigers. Nishimo. Yag Tiger is actually a tank hunter. This is a really great item. It's low tech, it's cable remote control, but you can build it. Okay, so here are details behind the Yag Tiger. Cabling, gearbox, battery compartment. Real nice piece right here. Parts on the sprue. All right, we're gonna see Heritage Editions. We're gonna see more ships. We're gonna see more RC, and we're gonna see these killer rockets. Okay, so cheers from Ed over at Mars, as well as AntiqueToys.com. Keep us in mind with great toys, unbuilt items, boxed items, rockets, you name it. Toys at AntiqueToys.com. My name's Ed. You'll find my phone number there. Shoot me an email, and please email over photos of your collection. We greatly appreciate estates and referrals. So talk to me with the AntiqueToys.com. Possibility of buying out, and talk to me about Mars Auctions for holding an auction on your behalf. Take care. Have a great day.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.